welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very different video for you guys. I'm going to be doing a cooking challenge, okay? And if you're a new subscriber or you're just coming to my channel, like, this channel is about real estate and lifestyle videos, okay? So for today, I'm going to do something totally different, okay? I'm going to join this challenge, yemmie challenge, whereby you see challenged each and every one of us to cook with 1,500 naira. And you guys know that the country is very hard. Things are very difficult right now. So I'm going to show you how I managed and squeeze that 1,000. In fact, I managed 1,500 naira to make dinner for a family of 3. So I just decided to do chicken gravy, like chicken sauce, and I'm going to show you the ingredients I'm going to be using for this particular video. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you what I'm going to use. So yes, these are the ingredients I'm going to be using for this video. Here you have the chicken. I bought half kilo of chicken, which is 800. Then I have here the sweet potato. I'm going to use Irish potato. I'm going to use this potato to take in the sauce. I'll boil it and blend it to take in the sauce. Here we have cabbage. I'm going to use it for the sauce too. Here we have an onion. I'm going to use it for the sauce too. For the Irish potato, I got it for 200 naira. Got 4 pieces for 200 naira, but I'm using only 2. For the cabbage, I bought the cabbage for 200 naira. I got the onions for 200 naira. Okay, so here we have carrots, green pepper, and green peas. So I got the carrots for 200 naira, green peas for 100 naira, and green pepper for 200 naira. That is 500 naira. So add it to this. That's 700, 800, 900. So I think all the ingredients here is about 900. Then the chicken I got was the chicken I got. So I'm going to spice the chicken right now for you guys to see. Okay. Okay, guys, so here is the chicken. Added curry, thyme, garlic, ginger, and curry powder. Okay, so I'm just trying to marinate the chickens together so that the ingredients will get to it. So after letting the chicken sit for some time to let it marinate, I just add some onion to it. Then proceed to put it on fire. Okay, so the meat is currently on fire now. You can see it's almost ready to add the rest ingredients.
So I want to blend the Irish potatoes now. Just cut it into smaller cubes. I want to blend it. And that's what I'm going to use to thicken up the sauce. Just add a little bit of water so that it will blend very well. So I'll start putting in the ingredients. So over here I have rice. So this is the boiling my rice now, so going to wash it up and use just a carbon stage. I'm going to wash it and boil it till it gets soft.
I begin to I